Hey gearheads! If you're driving a 1973 through 1987 Chevy truck and the brake pedal feels harder than it should, or your original power brake booster is simply worn out, CPP has a direct solution. This dual-diaphragm power brake booster is designed specifically for 73 through 87 Chevy trucks. It fits half-ton, three-quarter-ton, and one-ton applications. The brake booster is one of the most important components in a vacuum-assisted braking system. It uses engine vacuum to help multiply the force you apply at the brake pedal, reducing the amount of pedal effort required to slow or stop the vehicle. And on a classic truck that's driven regularly, improving brake pedal feel can make a big difference in overall driving confidence. The CPP booster features a large 11-inch dual-diaphragm design with a clean black finish and firewall mounting configuration. It also comes with the riveted mounting bracket, installation hardware, and brake pedal extension rod, helping provide the components needed to mount the booster to the truck. A huge advantage of this booster is its versatility. It's compatible with two-wheel disc or four-wheel disc brake configurations, making it a useful option whether you're maintaining a mostly stock braking system or upgrading other components on the truck. Keep in mind that this is the brake booster only. A master cylinder and proportioning valve are not included, so you'll want to make sure the rest of your brake system is properly matched to your particular application. CPP has matching components that will simplify your install and will help get the most performance from your new booster. As with any vacuum-assisted brake system, proper engine vacuum, correct pedal geometry, push rod adjustment, and a properly functioning master cylinder are all important to achieving the best braking performance. And because this booster is designed around the 1973 through 1987 Chevy truck application, you don't have to start with a generic universal booster and figure out the mounting arrangement yourself. If your classic Chevy truck is ready for a brake system refresh, check out the CPP 11-inch dual-diaphragm power brake booster. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out. That's it for this video, and remember, for parts that are built to fit, built to perform, and built to drive, make sure your ride is CPP equipped.